the original Bro.
The following contest is an Iron Man match. Making his way to the ring from Las Vegas, Nevada, weighing in at 216 pounds, Matt Riddle.
All that bro stuff drives me up the wall. But come on, bro.
See, it's fun to say.
All right, never say bro again, Cole. I'm begging you. As I was saying, I can do without all the bro stuff. But once he gets in the ring and those ridiculous flip-flops come off, Riddle is one of the most brutal, intense, merciless superstars around.
Nonetheless, ow! Oh, jeez! This flip-flop hit me in the nose.
Good, you should leave the desk. Go see the nurse.
I know you're excited, Corey, because here comes the Planet's champion.
And his opponent from Aberdeen, Washington, weighing in at 210 pounds, Daniel Bryan.
Daniel Bryan's been United States champion, Intercontinental champion, Tag Team champion, World Heavyweight champion, and WWE champion. Now, the new Daniel Bryan is simply a champion for change. How can you not admire this man, Saxton?
I can't believe that. You're going to tell me that this made-up title of Planet Champion is more prestigious than some of the most important titles in our industry?
I seem to remember a time when you loved Daniel Bryan, Saxton. What changed? Huh? Actually, I already know the answer. You, like so many others, are fickle. Do better.
Yeah. If you're trailing in an Iron Man match, you have to find a turning point to even things up. Don't you agree, Corey?
I do, and that means you have to have enough to keep your foot on the gas pedal to keep the match going.
It is crucial to be able to create your own opportunities while minimizing risk when at a deficit in an Iron Man match.
And you don't want to have to come back from multiple fall deficit. That's a death sentence in a match like this.
Daniel Bryan going for it. Here's Daniel Bryan.
Yikes, that'll either wake you up or knock you out. Oh, that'll make your legs numb. A barrage of strikes.
Endless. Daniel Bryan with a slick reversal. Ooh, what a damaging blow. Very curious move to go for a pinfall at this point.
He can withstand a lot more punishment, I can promise you that.
On a big uppercut. Hoisted up. Oh, European uppercut. Drop kick. Great athleticism. Oh, stomping away. Daniel Bryan pulling out all the stops. That's what he does. Keeps on the attack. Daniel Bryan, top rope. Look out. Flying headbutt. Daniel Bryan quickly. The cover. And he's able to get the shoulder up. Tried for it early.
That now. Oh, flipping the script on him there.
Oh, huge big boot. Daniel Bryan stalling a bit here. He had to be prepared to take some damage tonight. Good night. Wow, that was some reversal by Daniel Bryan. It may be a little early for Daniel Bryan to start celebrating. Back in from the floor. Big reversal. Oh, what a high kick. And Bryan showing so much creativity. That's why Bryan is one of the best. Impressive strike combination. Head scissor applied. Gosh, malicious. Oh, right to the gut. Whoa, that'll fillet your chest. Kick to the knee. Oh. Solid contact from Daniel Bryan. Ouch. Guys, I've talked with superstars who've competed in Iron Man matches, and each and every one of them said that he's looking for the win. Not enough to end this one. Not yet. Too early. He just cannot be caught. Oh, man. Right asleep. German suplex. Nice amateur takedown.
Daniel Bryan is going to have to revise his game plan because right now...
Matt Riddle. Oh, bro, Derek. Leave the nightlight on for him. It's over.
Daniel Bryan really needs to dig down deep and fast.
Oh, what a slap. Reverses. Can he make him pay? Hit the mark with that one. Oh, that'll make your legs numb.
Wow, that was some reversal by Daniel Bryan. Oh, wow.
Guillotine applied.
He's just about there.
Nice job breaking out of that one.
But there's plenty more work for him to do here.
Shin lock. Basic but effective. Oh, what a high kick. A series of brutal kicks to the body.
Daniel Bryan with a slip reversal.
German suplex. Is it fully locked in?
Battling to get the upper hand.
Now we have Daniel Bryan on the attack.
Daniel Bryan gets a late score.
His shoulders are down. 1, 2. And he kicks out. Have to put in a little more work than that. Daniel Bryan! Oh, the heel hooks in!
Fighting for survival.
Shoulders down, this could be it. A kick out after one. He's not giving up that easy. No, that'll break his arm. Vicious. Daniel Bryan locks in the cravat. The new Daniel Bryan up to his old tricks.
Daniel Bryan offering some American and Japanese flavor right here.
Producing a trampling. His opponent is just overwhelming him here.
There's no doubt in my mind he's going on instinct at this point. Unfortunately, I'm not so sure instinct can carry him all the way until the clock hits 0.
Over and over from Daniel Bryan.
Daniel Bryan is starting to turn it up now. Bryan is in complete control of this match. Drop kick.
Great athleticism. Oh, that'll break his arm. Vicious. Look at that. Snap suplex. Drop kick. Beautiful. Look at this. Spinning arm breaker. Roundhouse kick. Hoisted up.
Daniel Bryan is feeding off the energy of the WWE Universe.
Head scissors applied. Oh, look at this. Raining down elbows. And Bryan showing so much creativity.
That's why Bryan is one of the best.
Hammerlock applied. Oh, no. Uh-oh. That's going to break an arm. Oh, man.
Gosh, why?
Enough. Looking to lock it in. The bell lock is in.
Work is being put in by Daniel Bryan. Daniel Bryan gets a late score.
Looking for all the glory here. He's not done fighting yet. Still too fresh. Daniel Bryan! Gosh.
Bro to sleep. Suplex.
Looking for the victory. 2.
He gets it back.
Time continuing to expire. The clock, always the enemy. When you're in the lead, you want less time. When you're behind, you want more. Oh, huge big boot. The WWE Universe is coming unglued, an absolute fever pitch here. He certainly looked... Matt Riddle! Oh, the heel hook's in! He's just about there. What he could do it here. And another kick out.
Yeah, it's going to take more than that to keep him down.
Look at this. Spinning arm breaker. You know, these guys are giving it absolutely everything they've got. Got the head scissors applied. Oh, man, that's just nasty. Raining down elbows.
Work is being put in by Daniel Bryan.
We're undoubtedly nearing the end. He can't recover from a beating like this. Boom! What a kick. He's going for the pin. This could be it. And at some point, he's going to start wondering what it's going to take to put him away. And he wants nothing to do with any of that. Guillotine applied. This might be it. And he finds a way free.
Wow, that was just pure determination, Cole.
Oh, man, that hurt. Head scissor applied. Gosh, malicious. Looking for for the finish. Riddle has him up. That's lights out.
You could count to 100.
Will the second time do the trick?
3, it's over. No, it's not.
Well, Daniel Bryan may be in bad shape, but he's not done yet.
Oof. A series of brutal kicks to the body.
Daniel Bryan with a slick reversal.
Just caught flush.
They're going to lock it in. The bell lock, the bell lock is in.
Daniel Bryan with a great offensive show. Daniel Bryan gets a late score.
Daniel Bryan! Oh, the heel hook's in!
Fighting for survival.
Here we go for the win! And again, he refuses to stay down.
How did he do it? Well-scouted reversal there.
Bryan wins!
Yes!
Take a sip of your wheatgrass juice and enjoy the new Daniel Bryan.
It's going to take days to recover from this incredibly taxing Iron Man match.
I can't take anything away from Daniel Bryan in this match tonight. I just wish Daniel gave that level of commitment to his job as general manager of SmackDown Live.
Matches like that are the reason why.
The following contest is scheduled for one fall. Introducing first, representing the Bar, from Lucerne, Switzerland, weighing in at 232 pounds, Cesaro!
And we've got Cesaro making his way to the ring.
Cole, you've got to like Cesaro's chances tonight.
I don't think I remember the last time he looked this motivated, guys.
That's a scary thought, Cole. Even before tonight, I don't think I've seen too many superstars more motivated than him.
Fight, Owens, fight!
And their partner, from Marieville, Quebec, Canada, weighing in at 266 pounds, Kevin Owens!
Well, if it's deceitful, if it's underhanded, it is in the playbook of Kevin Owens.
A Universal Champion, a United States Champion. The list goes on, and Kevin Owens owes it all to himself.
their opponents, at a combined weight of 737 pounds, Sami Zayn, Keith Lee, and Buddy Murphy, the Union.
The atmosphere inside this arena for this one is absolutely insane, guys.
And if you think this is insane, just wait until this thing kicks into high gear. You ain't seen nothing yet.
In a handicap match, what's in it for the team with numerical superiority? I mean, the numbers are in your favor, so you should win.
Oh, a lot of reasons. Most importantly, it gives you a chance to work on your team game. And in the WWE, whether it's a handicap match or not, a win is a win. Especially when you face a superstar of this magnitude and talent.
Don't count those chickens just yet, Corey. They haven't won anything yet, and I'm not so sure they will here tonight.
Really just laying it in.
Suplex.
In a bad way here, guys.
And Sami Zayn exploiting the opening.
Smart.
Trap the arm. Neck breaker.
So smooth.
Tagged in.
A handicap match is the type of match where a superstar or superstars square off against respective opponents, and one side has a numerical advantage against the other. This could be a singles match or a tag team match, and as we've seen through history, can include any amount of superstars. Talk about a game of roulette.
Oh, brutal forearm.
Super kick by Kevin Owens.
Stomp right to the gut. Added pressure afterwards. Ugh.
Byron, this is what I wish you would do. Ah, the go-home driver.
Good night.
Needs to make it to the corner here, Corey.
Oh, you're absolutely right, Cole. There's no way around it. A tag is vital at this point in the match.
In off the tag.
Really targeting the back on that one. And that's why they say, fight Owens, fight. He's hitting on all cylinders right now.
Boom! Spikes him down. Uh-oh. Got the crossface applied. He's just about there. Wow, he got out of it.
Yeah, I'm not so sure he had it fully locked in.
Avoiding trouble there.
Sharp clothesline.
Bang! He's left wide open here.
Oh, man. Inside out.
Oh, what a knee lift. Oh, clothesline. Snapmare.
Not safe yet.
Kick. Tagged in. Oh, right to the body. Booty boot. In off the tag is Kevin Owens. striking blow. Oh, knee to the face.
That's going to hurt.
Anticipated that attack perfectly. Samoa suplex.
Just vicious.
Now, what's this going to be?
Oh, an enziguri. Oh, what a knee lift. Oh, look at this. Oh, pump handle into a gut buster.
Nice.
In off the tag.
Here's a tag. Opponent off the ropes. Down.
Pinfall attempt here from Sami Zayn.
And Kevin Owens quickly kicks out.
Yeah, it's going to take more than that.
Desperately needs to make a tag here.
I don't know. It's going to be tough to make it to the corner.
Look out, he's almost there.
If he doesn't make the tag, they're in big trouble here, Cole.
Able to get the tag.
Oh, chin-breaking uppercut. Something big is coming. We're in the feeling out process here. Who's going to get the advantage and maintain control? Tagged in. Oh, what an uppercut.
Set it up.
Oh, flapjack.
Gosh, landing face first.
Desperately trying to get to the corner now.
It's not going to be easy, though, Michael.
Looks like we're going to get the tag.
I think you're right, Michael. He makes the tag. Tides have turned now, Michael.
Devastating kick. He's not looking so hot here, guys.
And momentum is certainly not on his side right now.
Bang, right in the face. There's the pin. Can his opponent kick out?
He's bringing it back inside the ring now.
He's got some fight left in him.
Yeah, he's not done yet.
Drop toe hold. Oh, what a knee lift.
What's coming next?
Taking their time.
Kevin Owens doing a great job of turning that one around.
Forward smash.
Uh-oh. Kevin Owens just too fast for him.
Surprisingly quick.
Tag made.
Oh, my God. Down to the floor. I don't know what he has planned out here, but he must be mindful of the referee's count. Somehow has to find a way to make a tag here.
Completely agree. Getting the partner in here is absolutely vital.
Inching closer to his partner here.
You can talk about being close all you want, Cole, but unless you're talking about horseshoes or hand grenades, it means nothing.
And there's the tag.
An uppercut.
That'll cost some teeth.
Turning it around, it's Sami Zayn with the reversal.
Hammerlock of pride.
Battling to get the upper hand. He got in there. Good save.
And no luck against Cesaro there.
Incredible athleticism.
Watch this.
Oh, my. Down with authority.
Come on now, Saxton. You didn't really think that was going to keep a superstar like Cesaro down, did you?
Oh, step up enziguri. Bang, right in the face.
What incredible technical prowess from Cesaro.
Cesaro with a rough blow there.
Oh, that'll hurt.
Red suplex.
Making it look easy.
Bionic elbow.
Right to the forehead.
Uh-oh.
Oh, what a crossface.
Is he done? And the ropes break this one up.
Great ring awareness there, Michael.
Drops the hammer.
Right on the lower back.
A roll-up for the win.
It's over.
Inside the ring now. I don't know too many other guys that would have been able to kick out of that. Uh-oh. Look at this. Blue Thunderbomb.
This has got to be it.
We got a cover.
I don't know how he keeps kicking out.
Yeah, somehow the Swiss Superman is able to dig deep and stay alive here.
Reversal. Cesaro showing his prowess.
Uh-oh. Got the crossface applied. He's just about there. Going for something else, it seems.
I suspect he knows something that we don't, Cole. Why else would he just let him out of that hole?
Suplex!
And tagged in is Kevin Owens.
Oh, KO's got him where he wants him. Look at that. Referee in position. 2. He's still in it. I can't believe it. Knee drop.
That was nasty. So precise.
Super kick.
By Kevin Owens.
Looking to make the tag here.
A tag at this point can change the whole complexion of this match, Michael.
So close, just a little bit more.
Oh, but it's those last few inches that are always the toughest.
And he tags his partner in.
Momentum has certainly shifted here, Michael.
Power bomb.
Sharp clothesline.
Nice right hand.
Multiple stomps.
Showing a lot of fury with these attacks.
It's starting to come together in a big way for this guy.
Ah, look at this. Spinning arm breaker. Just rake in the face. Oh, what a nasty, nasty move.
Kevin Owens just too fast for him.
Surprisingly quick.
Down. The Jinoku driver. Boom.
Right between the eyes.
What's he gonna do with it? He may get the 3 count right there. He's bringing it back inside the ring now.
It's hard to believe, but it looks like he still has some gas left in the tank. Inverted suplex.
Up and down. What a gourd buster.
Running knee to the face.
That's it.
He's going for the pin. And he got a near fall out of it.
On the width of a fingertip, Owens got the shoulder up.
A quick reversal by Kevin Owens.
Legs trapped. What's next? Oh, what power. Thunderous powerbomb. Uh-oh, no, don't do this. Don't do this. Attack to the midsection. Up and down. What a gourd buster.
It looks like they both did their homework heading into this one.
Thunderous powerbomb.
Turning the momentum to his favor.
Things are really going his way now.
Kevin Owens doing a great job of turning that one around.
Float over. And do a DDT. Struggling to get to the corner here.
Might not make it, Michael.
Oh, he's almost there.
And his partner's just itching to get in the ring right now.
And gets the tag.
I think we're going to see it, gentlemen.
There it comes. Here we go for the win. Near fall after near fall in this matchup here.
He's still in this.
They'll hoist him up for the gut buster. Not finished yet. Senton.
Forward smash. Now in full control.
Powerbomb.
Boom, right in the button. Power slam.
Little kick.
On the mark. Ooh, what impact.
Earth shatter.
He could pin his opponent right here.
It's over.
And standing before you, your winner, folks, Sami Zayn.
That's what makes a handicap match one of the most unpredictable in WWE.
Here are your winners, Sami Zayn, Keith Lee, and Buddy Murphy, the Union.
And he picks up the win.
I got a feeling they're going to be talking about this win for a while.
You got that right, partner. Again, huge win here tonight.
Cage match. It is for the All-Star Championship.
Here comes the big dog.
once told me he carries his family legacy as a badge of honor that fuels his confidence that cannot be broken.
One of the most confident men in WWE today.
You feel the aura of the arena change the minute the opening notes of his song hit. Roman Reigns changes the feeling in the building.
It's all about his yard. Plain and simple.
There is only one Roman Reigns.
The most dangerous man in WWE today.
Samoa Joe is a man who has never made an idle threat. One of the most dangerous competitors ever to step into the squared circle.
If there is hostility, if there is tension to be had, Samoa Joe will be the first one in line.
A lethal hybrid of size, speed, technique, and agility. Samoa Joe is second to none.
Introducing the challenger from Pensacola, Florida, weighing in at 265 pounds, Roman Reigns! And introducing the champion from Huntington Beach, California, weighing in at 282 pounds, he is the Samoa Joe!
A fully confident challenger in their corner, absolutely hell-bent on capturing the title. This right here is a championship that gained a lot of prestige and set him up. Ocean leg sweep.
The champ will stay champ. Momentum is fully in the corner of Samoa Joe now.
Roman Reigns saw that one coming.
What power! Thunderous powerbomb.
He's not looking good here, guys.
Harsh snap power slam.
Joe's
Nasty knee breaker by Samoa Joe. Ooh, treading all over their opponent.
Up on their shoulders.
down in a hurry.
Now it's Roman Reigns on his heels.
He's a tough guy. He can handle the intensity of this steel cage match.
Clothesline to the back of the neck. Here is Roman Reigns in position now.
That was vicious. The title's in jeopardy here.
I think the paradigm has shifted.
Oh, man, Joe doesn't even know where he is.
Gentlemen, Roman Reigns is taking full advantage.
The big dog in the hunt.
Ooh, bullseye. Look at the power by Reigns.
Wow! Niagara driver. Wasn't expecting that.
And it's reversed.
Paying for that mistake.
Running senton.
Joe's got him up. Spiked with a Death Valley driver. Joe with both arms hooked. Tiger suplex.
There's a blitz of strikes from Samoa Joe.
Up on the shoulders.
Down in a hurry.
Oh, my Lord.
Strike right. Good night.
Samoa Joe with his back against the wall.
He's getting beaten up out there, but staying strong. Boom! Right between the eyes. Reigns just bludgeoning his opponent in the corner. Battering clotheslines. Great agility there.
Knife edge chop echoing through.
Roman Reigns saw that one coming.
An impressive series of moves.
Looks like nobody...
Set him up. Russian leg sweep. Looks like the champ is going to retain a second spot on the highlight reel.
Great decision by Joe to capitalize. Kick right in the heart. Bang, nice contact there.
The challenger is in some big trouble.
He's totally out of it. Nobody's home upstairs.
The big dog is losing his stride right about now.
Great reversal. I got WWE Universe. Roman Reigns' championship reign has begun.
Here's a few clips from the last match for us.
Here is your winner and new Roman Reigns.
Took it to another level to gain that win.
I don't know who's more surprised to see the champion go down, me or this capacity crowd.
I'd like to think we just saw one of the greatest title matches in a very long time. I hope you enjoyed it, folks.
Match. It is for the Women's Championship.
The ever-impressive Dana Brooke.
Tremendous athlete, great competitor.
Saxton, put your action figures away. Playtime is over.
Bodybuilder strength, acrobatic athleticism. Dana Brooke has all of the skills to dominate the women's division.
Tell me, guys, does she have a legitimate chance to win this match and walk out of here as a champion?
Of course she does, Cole. I mean, it might be less than 1%, but yes, she has a chance of becoming champion here tonight.
The Queen of Black Hearts. Natalya holds the record for the longest time spent in a Women's Royal Rumble match at 56 minutes.
That's a minute for each cat she owns.
A third-generation competitor, granddaughter of Stu Hart, niece of Bret Hart, and daughter of Jim Neidhart, Natalya was born to do this.
You'll have to forgive me for the lack of information on this title, but I have heard that it's highly coveted.
Well, my sources sent me a VHS tape of this title's greatest matches, and there were some all-time classics.
Really? Hey, can I borrow that tape, Barry?
Absolutely not, Saxton. I'd be doing a disservice to my sources. Snapmare takeover.
Followed by.
All measured up.
Oh, a drop kick to the spine. In control here with a swinging neck breaker.
Textbook.
Dana Brooke is like a pit bull who will launch an attack against an adversary and continue the attack until her target is unable to compete. And then, to make it worse, Dana will talk trash while all of this is taking place. Natalya says, not this time. Dana Brooke's on the attack now.
Oh, my God, what an elbow. Perhaps thinking about what to do next here. Sneaks out of that one.
That's how you get out of trouble, Michael.
Tough spot to be in. Hold on, guys. This isn't good.
I don't remember the last time the champion was up against as stiff a challenge as this one.
Dana Brooke is intense, tenacious, and well, many members of the WWE Universe find Dana highly obnoxious. But everyone knows that when the bell rings, Dana Brooke is a powerhouse who's not to be underestimated.
Dana loves beating people up and talking trash while she's doing it.
This could mean trouble. Butterfly suplex. The challenger eating up some damage.
She can withstand the punishment, though. And it's Dana Brooke with the offense.
Clothesline!
Trampling the opposition.
Oh, targeting the stomach.
And it's Natalya with the reversal.
German suplex.
She's got her. German suplex. And there's the reversal from Dana Brooke.
Situations like this usually don't end very pleasantly.
Oh, had that well scouted.
Oh, look at this.
Natalya says, not this time.
Definitely not where you want to be right now. Oh, right to the throat.
Where can Dana Brooke find an edge to turn things around right now?
She's not rising to the occasion right now. Wheelbarrow suplex. Devastating.
Elbow smash.
Kick. Beautiful. I'm not so sure Natalya should be strutting around like this. At least not yet. Oh, knee. Lights out.
What's this?
Suplex. Making it look easy.
Natalya displaying her awesome power.
She has become relentless at this point.
Knife edge chop.
Dana Brooke is a woman you do not want to mess with.
Hold on. She wants to take this one to the floor, bringing it back into the ring.
Oh, here we go.
Positioning it right in the center of the ring. The only thing left to do now is climb it, Cole.
Now she just needs to pull the championship down.
And the crowd is starting to come to their feet.
There it is. Dana Brooke is your new champion.
Taking another look here, you can see how the ladder just introduces a whole other element.
Here is your winner, and new Dana Brooke.
Talk about having to dig down deep to pick up the win.